sum in Excel step by step, very simple and beginner friendly. As you can see here, I have a sample Excel sheet. I have an ID, value A, value B, and total. So now let's learn how to calculate the sum of number in Excel. So click on any empty cell. For example, let's click on cell 23, and then I'm going to write the code here. So I'm going to use equals to sum, bracket open, D2, D21, bracket close. So just press enter. So this is the sum of all this. This is the sum of all this. So we're going to do another one. If you want to calculate the rows, so click on any cell here, because we want to calculate, if you want the Excel to calculate each row total automatically instead of typing the number. So we're just going to go to any cell there. We want to calculate this row. So this is what we're going to do here. So for example, we want to calculate B, row B. We're going to say equals to B2 plus, we're going to calculate row D, B2 plus D2, B2. You click enter. So this is the sum for this. So we can drag it down to get the sum for each row to get this answer. So, and this is how you calculate sum in Excel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and turn on notification for more Excel and data tips. Thank you.